This is a What's in the Box for Sagrada, a 1 to 4 player dice rafting game. Let's take a look. So, the rules, I guess an insert to sell you the 5 to 6 player expansion, which came out, which I think includes a little bit more than the 5 to 6 player expansion. 50 point markers, point tracker, and the nice dice that, conveniently to the style of the game, did, I guess it's just normal dice, but they work well with the style. And glass beads, I forget exactly what those are for. Bag to draw the dice out of, and the player boards where you slide your cards in. So you'll slide your card in underneath. Pretty nice insert. Different windows to make, and scoring cards. So these are like bonus scoring cards. So that's pretty cool. I think the insert is good. I think this is one of those games where if it had come out on Kickstarter, it may have done even better than just a straight release, because they could have like upgraded things, maybe made things a little bit nicer. And I think it's got a cool look, maybe a better look than the gameplay. So you have it. That is Sagrada. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.